Looking for the best dog dematting comb? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog dematting comb on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Kurtzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. This fine toothbrush is easy to hold and easy to clean. Button allows the comb to retract and separate from the hair. Handle hold position allows you to get a wide and firm brush of your dog's coat without hurting your dog. Really removes a lot of excess hair quickly. Gives you the advantage of a slicker brush without the pain of cleaning it. A big brush that might be a little difficult to use on smaller dogs. At number 2. Safari Pet Products Kong Safari Mat Remover. Mat remover has small blades designed to actually cut through the mat. Works better on mats than a brush. Pulls out tangles and cuts the mat really well. Sturdy grip on the handle. Well built. A bargain mat remover designed to get straight to the heart of the problem. Mat remover is very sharp. You will have to be careful when you use it. This will not double as a brush. At number 1. The Pet Portal Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Works for long and short hair dogs. Tines work well. Slightly different design than other self-cleaning brushes makes it less likely the tines will get stuck behind the self-cleaning guard. One press button for brush cleaning. Allows you to gently brush without getting stuck on your dog's hair. 5-year guarantee from the manufacturer. Heavy-duty slicker brush that is super easy to clean. Self-cleaning feature makes this brush bulkier than others on the market. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.